Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I will explain and answer the question about transgender in Islam. First, what is the meaning of transgender? What does Islam say about it? Transgender refers to a person whose gender identity is different from the sex they were assigned at birth. For example, someone who has born biologically male but identifies and lives as a female is considered transgender. In Islam, the topic of transgender identity is complex. Some scholars differentiate between people who suffers from gender dysphoria and those who intentionally reject their biological sex. Islam emphasizes the importance of accepting the natural creation of Allah, but it's also show compassion to individuals who genuinely struggle with gender identity. Next, what is the meaning of transsexuality? How does Islam see it? Transsexuality typically refers to people who undergo medical procedures to change their physical sex to match their gender identity. This include hormone treatment and surgery. Islam view transsexuality similarly to how it sees transgender issue. If someone is born with clear sign of a gender disorder or ambiguity, then treatment or surgery may be allowed to align their physical body with their dominant characteristic. However, for people with no biological ambiguity, changing one sex is generally not allowed in Islam, as it considered a form of altering Allah creation without necessity. Number three is, what is the meaning of hunsa? Hunsa is an Arabic term used in Islamic jurisprudence to refer to intersex individual. Those born with both male and female physical characteristic or ambiguous genitalia. In classical Islamic law, they are further classified as hunsa wadih, where one sex is more dominant, and hunsa muskil, where the sex cannot be clearly determined. Islamic scholars develop a specific legal ruling for hunsa individual, including guidance on matters like inheritance, prayer, and burial, depending on which gender is more apparent. So number four is, what is the meaning of muhannats? Muhannats refers to men who display feminine behavior or speech. In classical Islamic texts, they were described as men who imitate women in appearance or mannerism. And number five is, what is the meaning of mutarajilat? Mutarajilat refers to a woman who imitates men in behavior, appearance, or speech like muhannats if this masculine behavior is intentional. Islam disapprove of it. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is reported to have cursed men who imitate women and women who imitate men. This reflects the importance Islam places on maintaining distinct gender identities. Next is the last one is, if a transgender individual dies, according to Islam, how should the body be treated following his or her assigned gender or following his or her desired gender? Islamic funeral rites should generally be performed based on the person's biological sex at birth. That means if a person was born male relative or caretaker should wash and bury the body even the person as identified and live as a woman. However, in rare case where a full legal and a physical gender transition has taken place and recognized by religious authorities, there might be exceptions, but these are debated among scholars, are handled on a case by case basis. So, thank you.